Good afternoon everyone, my name is Sean and I'm going to give you today a small session about drum lesson. Well now, coming to the basic groove which I really want to teach you guys, it's on the second paper of the handout. So what do you think the first line is about? About which part of the drum is the first line about? Hi-hat. Can you guys read that? So the first line is all about the hi-hat. As you can see, it's written on the left side. So today we're just going to learn a little basic groove. This basic groove is just quavers or just say 8 notes like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Can you guys speak that with me? Can you start that? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And as we're doing that, shall we just tap it on our left shoulder? On the left shoulder. Yes, with her right hand on the left shoulder. Shall we start it? So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Great. So I will tell you the reason why I'm placing your hands this way a little later. Now coming to the second line, you can see it's hi-hat and snare drum. So we'll first learn about how and where to play the snare drum. It's played by the left hand. If you're playing the hi-hat with your right hand, it's played by the left hand. And if you can see the first bar of the second line, tell me the numbers where you can see the notation. Which number is it that you can see the snare drum notation on?
2 and 4.
2 and 4. So just keep your right hand on your left shoulder. So if you keep it this way, and keep your left hand at the bottom of your tummy. So let's do it again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So you guys got the snare drum. Let's try to first start with the hi-hat on our left shoulder this way, and then on the second bar we will add the snare drum. Alright? And then we'll keep going until I just stop you. So let's start with the hi-hat. So 1 and 2 and 3 and add the snare drum. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's great. Why am I asking you to keep your hands this way is because when you play the hi-hat and the snare drum together, your hands are placed in a crossover. So the hi-hat or the right hand, it comes on top of the left hand. So that's why I wanted you guys to play the right hand on the top. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the snare drum goes down. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's go to the third line. You guys have got hi-hat. You guys did the snare pretty well. Let's go for the bass drum. Let's start just the bass drum. So as we played the snare drum only on 2 and 4, so now we play the bass drum only on 1 and 3, but by stamping our right foot. Alright, shall we try that? 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's start with the hi-hat. So 1 and 2 and 3 and bass drum. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Hey, you guys are good. Well, we got more drummers. So let's start with hi-hat now. Add the snare drum first and then the bass drum. 3, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now can you just play the first line? That's the hi-hat. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Alright, so the snare drum, remember it's on the 2 and 4?
Yeah, okay.
So start with the hi-hat, then give me the snare drum. We'll do the bass after that. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Great. So we'll do that again. Hi-hat, snare, and then bass on 1 and 3. So let's go slow. Let's start slow and then you can go fast if you want. Alright, let's start slow with hi-hat, then snare, and then bass. Alright? So 3, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, snare, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, bass, 1 and 2, did it right, bass drums, exactly. Thank you so much for being good students in this lesson, and I really enjoyed giving this session to you. Thank you so much.